Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to draw a 90-degree elbow. So at first I'm taking the new file. Then I'm going to select the MGS. Then front plane is taken. Then go to the line command and draw a line. It will be 50 or 40, then 40, 50. Then it will be also 50. Then select it and go to the here and fillet. Then it will be 10 millimeters radius. Okay, done. Then close it. Okay. Then top plane is taken and go to the features. Preference geometry and it will start from 0. Okay, then Control 8. Circle is selected. Control 8. 10 millimeters. Okay, exit it. Then go to here and select the sweep. One click on the path. Okay, then it will be 1 millimeter. Then okay, done. You can see. Okay. Then go to here for metal choice. Plastic is selected. High gloss plastic is taken, and this color is taken. Thank you. I think you are watching, and we can see again the internal face. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and share my channel.